Kuyenzeka ke uzithuke sewune love hate relationship naloya muntu okwenza ufeel seen, ngoba njengoba ekwazi ukukwenza ufeel seen nje uyakwazi ukubona futhi nengxenye yakho le ozama ukuyifihla. Angithi uyazi ukuthi wonke umuntu unezintwana zakhe nje azibona ziyamahlazo azenyeza ngazo azama ukuzifihla. Lo muntu okwenza ufeel seen, they see everything. Babona everything. Picky and choose ukuthi hayi bazobona the good parts. They see everything. So wena mawungekho prepared mentally ukuthi uzodila kanjani neconcept yokufila naked kwipresence yalo muntu, ugcina sowumresenta, because uyakwazi ukubona ukuthi yena, they see right through the act. They pierce through the narratives, the carefully constructed narratives, the carefully constructed image yako ozama ukuyiportray kwi-public ukuthi mina ngiyilo muntu. Yena uyakwazi ukubona ngale kwalelo khethini, bese ugcina umresenta wena, because on one hand ukwenza ufeel validated, uyakwazi uku-acknowledge everything good ngawe, kodwa at the same time uyayibona yonke enye into ukungcola ngawe. So yikho uzigcina sowukwi-love hate relationship. So i-advice yami ithi, uma ukhulekela noma umanifesta into yokuthi ngifuna ukuba nomuntu ozongenza ngifeel seen empilweni, uyikhulekele futhi nalento yokuthi ngiyasifisa istrength sokukwazi ukubekezelela ukufeel seen mina siqu yonke into ngami, ngoba ugcina uprojecta kuloya muntu, ugcina umenza afile ngazuthi uyak-attack, afile ngazuthi le quality lakhe li-rare lokuthi akwenza ufeel seen engazuthi liyi-weakness. Yabo? So iba careful ngokuthi udila kanjani nomuntu okwenza ufeel seen, because they see everything.